Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video you can see many glamorous red lipsticks and eye makeup. This can enhance your beauty and you can pick many ideas about lipsticks and eye makeup. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my video. In this video, I describe about red lipsticks and along with eye makeup. Red lipstick and eye makeup can create a bold and glamorous look. Here in this video, there are many step-by-step guidelines to help you achieve the stunning combination. Before these steps to reveal, please, I want to mention some points. Remember, makeup is an art form and you can always experiment with different shades and techniques to create a look that suits your style and preferences. Enjoy playing with your red lipstick and eye makeup. This red lipstick starts with a smooth and moisturized lip surface. Exfoliate your lips gently to remove any dirt or flaky skins. Apply a lip balm or lip primer to hydrate your lips and create a smooth canvas for the lipsticks. Outline your lips with a lip liner that matches your chosen red lipstick shade. Start from the cupid's bow and carefully line the rest of your lips following your natural lip shape. Along with these lipsticks, eye makeup is very necessary and beautifully held to your eyes become bold and very charming. Choose a neutral eyeshadows shade that match your skin tone and apply it all over your eyelid. This will act as a base color. Take a deeper shade of eyeshadow such as a burgundy brown and apply it to the crease of your eyelid. Blend it well to create a soft transitions. To add some definitions, apply a darker eyeshadow shade to enhance the look of your makeup. You become very charming and glamorous whole party. Thank you.